How to change location on TikTok video. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. This is the TikTok camera screen. Here you can take photos or videos to post on TikTok. Now go to Media at the bottom right corner. You can choose photos or videos from your camera roll here. Now, go to the Videos section as shown. Here, select the video you want, then tap on Next at the bottom. You can edit the video as you like using the edit options on the right side of the screen. Once you're done, tap on Next at the bottom. On this page, tap on Location. Here, tap on Turn on to turn on location services. Then, tap on Open Settings. You will then be taken to the TikTok Settings page on the Settings app. Here, go to Location. Now, select while using the app. TikTok will now have access to your location while you are using the app. Then, go back to the previous TikTok page. Now, choose the location from here to add to your post. Here, you can add a caption and also manage other settings before posting. Following these steps, you can easily change location on TikTok video.